Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has presented starter packs and cash support to about 200 youths from the region after the completion of their training in welding and fabrication works. The 8 weeks training was part of the Commission's commitment to empowering skilled and unskilled young entrepreneurs in the region for sustainable peace and development.
The training, which held simultaneously in 3 Niger Delta states as part of the NDDC's Skills Acquisition Scheme, which is aimed at equipping Niger Delta youths with diverse vocational skills. At the graduation ceremony, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Oboko, said the training program was not just intended to make young Niger Deltans self-reliant, but assist them acquire requisite skills and knowledge about welding to grant them access into the oil and gas industry. Dr. Oboko, who was represented by his Chief of Staff, Mr. Julius Oworibo, said human capacity development was at the core of the current NDDC management's development strategy. Hence, the Commission made it a point of duty to ensure that the trainees were issued international certification so as to enable them compete with their counterparts beyond Nigeria.
The training has been a blend of both international and national guidelines. The certification will cover both international from the International Institute of Welding and national, the National Board of Technical Education.
Having observed that sustainability has been a challenge for fresh skill acquisition graduates, the NDDC went further and provided the beneficiaries with some welding equipment, starter packs, and monetary incentives to enable them establish their own workshops.
Each of them will be equipped with 1 welding machine, 1 grinding machine, and a toolbox, and the sum of 100,000 naira only from the Niger Delta Development Commission, courtesy of our Managing Director.
For their part, the beneficiaries commended the NDDC for the opportunity, describing it as life-changing. They said the skill acquired during the training program would help them chart a new course in their career.
It's the life-changing opportunity. Yeah, I really appreciate. I mean, who would have thought that today we'll be certified assistant welders, but here we are.
NDDC, keep doing what you're doing for us. We appreciate. We are so glad this came up, and thank you very much for all what you have invested in us.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,